Where? Please. And thank you. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Thank you. Come up with that again. Where? Pick it up. Where? Pick it up. Good man. Where? Pick it up.
At this rate, TikTokers really gonna have to be strapped and need to have bodyguards at their sides 24/7. This is the latest in dancehall and social media news so far. Popular YouTuber and upcoming artist Niah Gang got his bushel snuffed out on TikTok Live on Saturday night in his community of Old Harbor in St. Catherine.
What that the video the proof said, dog, me and my hometown bad man in a shop hide and a video me dog. Why you never show about? Yeah, a waste man.
Niah was given multiple warnings before this took place, and a pastor lady also took it upon herself to pray for him.
Jesus Christ.
And you know, the young man, I was in England when he sent me the lives to play a game. I said, I don't play match. I run a prayer meeting. And he said, all right, pray for me. I said, okay, all right, I'll pray. But while I was praying in the realm of the spirit, he was not receiving the prayer.
Oh my God.
He was not receiving the prayer in the realm of the spirit. Because sometimes you're dead in the spirit realm before you're dead natural. So, but there was a distraction because there was a warfare on, answer this one, on TikTok with the next trending person. Because I don't normally pray for gunman and them dead. Any gunman me pray for, them have to see the gunman them before him come. And when I saw the video, all the man them approach him. But the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Bless the name of Jesus. I don't care if you're not bad when somebody I pray for, just receive the prayer. Because that is a demonic attack upon the young man to cut him life short. That as the spirit set to cut him out. I may tell him my belly weak. My belly pain me.
Only if man did just take your word where he did say you would. Only if man did just take your word.
Him never received the word. Him never did receive it.
But he passed through one ear and come back through. Because when I watch his screen record, I'm in here say, make sure you see the enemy them before them. I tell you what the part they are doing is like man.
But a lot of people, you know, they are fighting things. They are fighting in a spirit, you know, which is hard to listen to certain things sometimes. And I say they are lost, you know. So it's not an easy thing for them really hear and understand and really watch out for certain things, you know, because they're too deep into those things already in whatever happened to them already. Is that right?
The devil is a liar. When me tie my belly pan in live, me see when him dead, you know, me tie my belly and I hope he will agree with me. Me pull him back out. But it's just sad. But there's something going on in the atmosphere about those who are trending on the TikTok. There's an hit out for those who are trending and it's spiritual. Everything what you're seeing is not natural. It's just something out for those who are trending. The other day I gave a word that I saw TikTokers killing TikTokers. Even before the party with Rebel, I gave out a word that I saw big fighting with TikTokers. So there's something out in the realm of the spirit. And
what one man calls a joke is serious to a next man, and Nyah seemed to have had enemies because of this specific reason. He was known to make jokes about ending people, and his TikTok co-workers would do the same to him. Not to mention that he was said to associate himself with a man named Blamdim, who is known to go around dissing TikTokers on their lives, and is being hunted by Badman. I will keep you updated on this particular story as it unfolds. 4 men were taken into police custody in Spaulding, Clarendon on Sunday after they attempted to rob a supermarket and hold shoppers hostage. It is said that they went live on TikTok when they realized that the police had them surrounded and they were suffering from their injuries.
Officer, wait, officer. Please. Officer, hold on.
Come here. Try to get to them, man. Try to get to them, man.
Come out, officer. Hold on. Officer, come out of the door.
Do not kill them, dog.
Slide over there.
Boy, they now.
Pull the door, officer. Yo.
Oh, me there, dog.
Yo. I'll cook something for this.
Let me there, dog. I'm going easy. Disappointed to no youth. Killer. Just like a youth.
Keisha.
Nobody. Please, officer, please. Please, I live with the fun. Please, I live with the fun. Please,
See live, I live, you know.
please, officer, do your begging. Please do. See, animal, do. Please, officer.
I can't go, man. Shut up. Sit down.
Please, officer. Please, do.
Please.
No, please.
How we are going, Father God?
No, officer, we're not going, officer, man.
Nah, good. Officer, my brother, we are soldier and police officer. Please, we are good. Officer, that's a big fucking
college, me
mistake.
get accepted for the college.
Why is it? Officer, please.
I'm married, I make
Officer, please.
get accepted for
We don't know, man.
Officer, we are not fools.
Lock
Please, officer.
Lock
Everything is
Please, we are begging, officer. Please.
Please, officer.
So, man name down a Clarendon. I wish movie uno watch and decide say uno ago aka movie there. Officer we want surrender with the life. Officer we want surrender with the life. Are they forcing to rap somewhere? No? Hey. Are they force uno admit, uno just get catch. Officer with a life. Officer, we want surrender. So that the part I acted on the plan so uno go do. Sure up live. But at this world gone to know. They pan live. I beg people share your life. Until the officers them say uno want surrender. What wrong with you no man? What wrong with you? What wrong? No, me no sorry for you. Me don't sorry for you. Cause I know exactly what I do. I swear.
Italian scams his fans and his friend Shay after he came on TikTok Live. He made it known he was been thrown out by his cousin, and his alleged baby mother came to handle the business after she realized they were damaging his property that he left behind. This was all part of the trick they run on their fans and Shay so that they send them money for another place for him to rent. Instead, he allegedly never rents the place and collected $600 in his friend's bank account.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Even Shauna Controlla, his ex-girlfriend, gets called to help him out.
Not call slime name. Slime name not with him.
I'm speak talk. I'm fresh shit talk.
No slime, I'm frost.
Frost.
But you look like Frost.
Eh?
No.
Frost in there.
You know frost, them say frost down on your yard, liar.
Your woman in there?
Jaden, focus now.
Focus now. Focus now. Me a chat to your big head boy. Focus now.
Oh, you know say big.
Come here. Sasha, the one that's the Italian cousin. And an Italian cousin, you know, an Italian sister-in-law. Italian sister Jessie, who claim to say them put on fight on TikTok. Them a sister, them have same mother. Them have same mother and different father. Them living at the same yard. Them get two boy. Me know Jaden know this guys, and I have to tell me him know. Them say you know. Him get two boy from down the road for come
Bro,
act like
me
them.
don't know. Me only know Italian mother. Me don't know no what we not talk about. Me only know Italian mother, bro. Italian mother alone me know, bro. Me don't know. Tell him come
Him get two boys to thump him up, Jaden. Feel look real.
Bro, Italian not really tell me about in life, you know. I'm not really business, you know. I slime alone, I'm my business, bro.
You hear what I say?
No, and I joke me and make a prank for true. Everything I prank. The people them
Bro,
money.
why you feel like this time I never want to get involved?
And that me said this morning. Me said Jaden say him never want to get involved for true. Me see why. Him know why. I really know why for true.
Yeah, me no want when thing attack you hear say me in there. Me never know nothing, bro. On top call my name. Sasha, you good?
Yeah, me alright. Yes, them a sister, Jessie and Sasha's sister.
And them take them each other man regular.
Me get the whole of them information. Jessie name, Nicolette.
So, you go get back your money?
You know, I know my money still, but me go report to the bank and them card.
Who fuck yard?
No worry.
Then, that didn't make no sense. That didn't make no sense either, because you can't get a new card.
That no, well, somebody have to go get a new card. The people, them money me a defend. And if the people may get back their money, at least something. So me report it to the bank for fraud.
No more money from that place either.
So one done. So.
And me can call MoneyGram too.
Why them get sharp? You know, I'm a big fool, you know. I go and make. No. I not run them joke because man, we talk me for real, you know. I don't believe, you know, I not run them joke. Why, Shay?
It was all a prank.
Why, Shay? You know what I tell you about, boy?
Yeah, the money them did want.
Let me get in the real good.
So you go a part of life, Jaden.
Just tell him same bad pan it. And see it. Just give me props, man. Oh God, man, him bad, man.
No,
no.
The people them tell him already.
We tell him already. We tell him say them go on.
Him bad.
You have come to the end of this video. Let me leave you with a video of one of Niah's cousins talking about the whole situation of how he lost his 3 points and who might have been responsible.
Yo, judge, you know. People love chat your people chat to learn chat. One heap. You see me? People chat to learn chat. One heap. Nyah gang situation, brother. I tell you now, when I put one more ground and talk, I'm not afraid of no man. See a man them run and kill him. You hear that? That's how I tell some man. So when you make money, don't try to be not done in those type of place in a work. Not done around all over and every lane use them one be leader. You have 2 different lane and you see have 2 different man around it. I don't see no money I make. I don't see no vibration, nothing positive I go on. I be a killing. That's where I go on around this from 1993. From 990s. May I tell you that? Hear that anybody where I make money, they ain't gun them down and I be a bad man and evil people. Live around this brother. I see them youth them run there. See them people them run there. I just wait for a specific time for you or somebody argue on TikTok for say people have a TikTok. No, it's nobody have a TikTok. See a man them way on them argue over a couple months ago. And them touch you. Them same one touch you, they watch you and touch you. And the youth beside you know how we do it. You know see it. You see a man around there time man and touch your dog. I would just sorry if you know. And everybody else gonna know how you see not either on this. Even if it take a week, it a bust out. And I once you kill you'd like your dog. Yeah man, any man kill Nyah get a see me then kill local youth when him gungo man. Young local youth. Young local youth, you know. Young local boy. And I bigger man them always I do them and sit there. You think say no little boy kill him, I bigger man them where they run there do it. Cause them jealous of I look at you them. You hear that because now I make money and them I cook every day and want to be done. So money slap him out. So you don't know say well I money run this a cruft brother. You see they don't for nothing. You see the bigger man them beat. I don't know little boy kill him. Until they got a mighty truth. You see. Yeah. And Nyah himself know how him know how he know one him in things from when. And the man then just watch him and cook up things. He know one him in things from when. And you can't fight to be done around them place. So this one I know if you try to be done, bro. Even when you then cook pot. I see them people who you cook pot with and they on YouTube with a publish them TV. See them, you see me? See them people them run this, I can't be trusted. The man is sit down beside you and know say a man want kill. I still sit down beside you and not say nothing. That man tell you. Surround this around, hear that? Yeah, dog. And I know look how boy kill dog. One of the big man them when know yard, when know a place. One of the big man them when know a place do it, when know a yard. And I know look how boy kill dog, man. A bad man and them thing, and they say dog I wake up too early and make noise at the yard gate and blah blah blah. Is it? When I have to figure a maths out. Is it? Don't make nobody trick on you. You hear that?